my dudes, this is Math Time with Mr. G, and today we're going to talk about what a complementary and supplementary angle is. So complementary means that there are two angles, and then we would say maybe angle ABC and angle DEF. These two angles, when they're put right on top of each other, so A, B, C, and D, E, F, when they're put right on top of each other, they add up to a right angle. So complementary means 90 degrees. So how they try to ask questions for this, so they will say this is a right angle, split, and they'll say this is 30 degrees. What's x? So you would just do 30 plus x equals 90 degrees. So x is 60 degrees. Supplementary means that they add up to 180 degrees. So a straight line is 180 degrees. If it gets cut and they say this is 60, what's x? You would do x plus 60 is equal to 180, and then solve for x, so x is 120. Vertical means that they are the same. So when there's an x, there's always going to be a wider angle, and diagonal to it is the same measure. On the other direction, diagonal from it will have the same measure. So if they say there's a vertical angle, this one is 120, and this is x plus 2. Since they're the same, that means x plus 2 is equal to 120. Subtract 2 from both sides, x is 118. And then the last thing is when they say a measure of, they might give you an angle, and then they'll say this is A, this is B. So they'll say the measure of angle B is 10. What is the measure of angle A? And let's say that this is complementary. So that means that B is 10, and then A would be 10 plus 80 to add up to 90 degrees. And then the last thing is when they give you an angle, we always read it from left to right, and then we will list the whole thing, so the measure of A, B, C. So if they just give us B, we say the measure of B. But if there are other letters, we say A, B, C, and the middle one is really the measure point. Other than that, be kind to one another, ask lots of questions, and think deeply.